Understand which component on a computer is responsible for posting and delivering content for web applications. Which tool is used to access and interact with web applications? Web browser to explore or browse web applications. Use web browsers. Each component acts as a protective layer, filtering incoming traffic to block malicious acts and ensuring the security of the web application. Each component has access web application firewall, uniform resource locator, URL full form is uniform resource locator. So web address that lets you access all kinds of online content, whether it's a web page, a video, a photo, or other media. It guides your browser to right tests on the internet. Anatomy of a URL. Scheme is a domain, port, path, query string, fragment. It means HTTPS is behind this. TryHackMe is a host slash domain, and there is no port here. This is a path room. I think R is a directory. I don't know. Path room, and this is a fragment, I guess. Or else this is full, I guess it's a path. There is a room. Sorry, there is a folder which there is a room. In room there is web application basics. Yes. Think skills protocols to access the website. Most common are HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, whereas HTTPS means hypertext transfer protocol secure. HTTPS is the most secure because it's encrypted connections. Okay. What is the question? Which protocol provides encrypted communication? Of course, HTTPS. What term describes the practice of registering domain names and whispered variations of a popular website to exploit user errors, potentially engaging fraudulent activities. What terms? Okay, terms and conditions. Okay. Yes, 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 most domains is unique registration. Okay, domains, this fix, yes, it's called types. I hope yes, it's correct. What part of URL is used to pass additional information such as search terms or for inputs to web server? Uh, it's just pass additional informations. Pass its query strings, HTTP message. And there are two questions. Which HTTP message is returned by the web server as processing a client's request? What follows the headers in a HTTP message? Okay. What follows? What follows the header in an HTTP message? I had read. Let me read it once again. And what? Which HTTP message is written by web server after processing the client's request? Or after processing it request the response, I guess. HTTP response. Yes. I remember a little, not much. Let me go through once again. Users are packets of data exchange between users, the client, and servers. Since are important for understanding how web applications work, but because they show user request and server's response are communicated. Email is a place to HTTP response. Okay. Okay, the empty line is a little divider that separates the header from the body. I think this is the answer for this question. What follows the header in HTTP message? What follows? I think the empty line follows. Oh, no, no, I think yes, it's the answer. Empty line. Let's go to HTTP request line and methods. Okay, let's see this. Hmm, Post user agent cookies connections. HTTP method is get path option. This is the headers and this is the values. What are the questions? It's HTTP protocol. Which HTTP protocol become widely adopted and remains the most commonly used version for web communication, known for introducing features like persistent connection. Hey, I know this persistent. I know the answer. It's HTTP slash 1.1. Whereas here it was also this HTTP 1. It rings the persistent connection engine transferring encoded and better caching. This was the answer. Which HTTP request method describes the communications options for targeting resources, allowing clients to determine which HTTP method are supported by the server. Okay, and in an HTTP request, which component specifies the specific resources or endpoint on server that the client is requesting, typically appearing after the domain name in URL. Let us go through. In an HTTP request, type in an HTTP request, which component specifies in an HTTP. Mm, HTTP request, which components respecting return, which components, which HTTP request method describes. No, which HTTP request? Let us see the HTTP request address and body. Let us go to the question. Which HTTP request header specific specifies the domain name of the web server to which the request is being sent? What is the default content type from the submission in HTTP? If the data is encoded as key value based string format, encoded as a key value. I to see encoded as key URL encoding application format the data should pair of key value. Okay, we multiplies this. Each part of an HTTP request contains additional information like host, user agent, and content type, guiding how the web server should process the request. Should process the request. Okay. Request headers allows extra information to convey the web server about the request. So, okay, let's okay, I think it's a little important one. We have to know what code is being by what, like 404. It's a common, everybody knows about it, and 500 and 301 and some more are there. Let's see here. Then you interact likely in Burpsuit. If you change the code here, like if it's not leaving, it's showing me 404 and I think 301 status code is okay, I guess. Oh, it's more. If we use the code, it says okay and it's give access to the next page. In Burpsuit, we can use to log in or like oh, log in to an website or etc. Without any OTP. If we can enter a wrong OTP and even though we can log in through it. A successful response to this question is in work necessitated. Which part of an HTTP response provides key question? Which part? Which part of the HTTP response provides? Okay, category of HTTP response independence. These codes mean the server encountered an error where trying to fulfill the request. This is essential to actually server side issue. Okay, I mean this is the answer. Okay, it's correct. Which HTTP status indicates the request resources will not be found. Everybody know the answer. It's 404. HTTP response headers and body. When response does when a web server responds to HTTP request and it equals response header where basically key value case. This header provides important info about the response and tell the client, usually the browser, how to handle it. Yes. Is there any practical error in this task includes website? Okay, there is no practical. Mm, which HTTP request response, sorry, which HTTP response header can reveal information about web server, software, and version, potentially exposing it to security risk if not removed. Mm, mm. Okay, this is the answers. This is the one question was the which can reveal the information to web servers, potentially exposing the security risks if not removed. Server is the answer. Yes, the server software handling the request for debugging can also reveal the information and it can be vulnerable and attackers may take use of it. Okay, this is the answer. Which flag should be added to cookies since that cookies HTTP response header to ensure they are only transmitted over HTTPS, protecting them from being exposed during unencrypted transmissions. Which flag should be okay? Which flag? I think I know the answer. I think it's secure flag. Let us go through the yes. Mm, yes, possible that secure flag. That's not the secure is the correct answer. Mm, oops, yes. Oh, it's oop. My daughter is oops. Which flag should be added to cookies? In the set cookies, HTTP server headers to prevent them from being accessed via JavaScript. They reference security against XSS attacks. Or which flag? Let's play. Let's Okay, it was correct. HTTP flag, so they can't be accepted with Java. Security headers. HTTP pros. Oh, I'm getting closer, closer, closer. Security, data protein, profile, tickets, zeros. Oh, what is the next question? In a content security policies, CSP configuration. CSP configuration, which property can be set to define where script can be loaded from. Okay, where script can be loaded from. I think it's source. Where script source is, I think, which specifics the policy where the script can be loaded as it's the correct from HTTP case script. Okay, yes, that's. Let's don't submit it. And finally, we can submit those and check whether how much are correct, how much are wrong. Let's just fill the blanks. When configurations restrict transport security, HSTS. Where is the H proof? Is just STS. Okay. Hmm. It is to show that all subdomains of site also use HTTPS, where directive should be included to apply the security policies to both the main domain and its subdomains. Hmm. Which configuration? Strict. Which configuration? Strict. Hmm. I think it's since let's go through HTTPS headers ensures that web browsers will always connect over HTTPS. Let's look at example of HTTPS. Message. Oh by message. Who's gonna live this long though? Just over 63 million years. Hmm. Message. Okay. Include subdomains. I guess let us just copy this and move on. Preload. Here's a breakdown of example HSTS headers. Max is this is the expiry time in seconds for this setting. Okay, it's not the person's, it's sorry, it's and like it website's expiry time. Include subdomains and optional settings for instruct process. Setting to all domains. Okay. Preload. This option settings follows the website to include in preload lists. Browsers can use preload lists to enforce HSTs before even having their first visit to website. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Let's leave it blank. I'm not getting. Oh, it's just security first. Both main domain. It must subdomain and okay. I'm getting the answer. Okay, in this In this, we have an optional setting that we can apply the instructions or the rules, security policies like to both domain and subdomains. To all subdomains, it says here. I think this is also just copy and paste there and move to the next question. If wrong, we can go through the HSTS once again. Which HTTP header directive is used to prevent browsers from interpreting files as a different MIME. Okay, MIME type, then what is specified by server, thereby mitigating content and snooping errors. Hey bro, will you take the answer? No, oh no, your answer is true. I have not just answered it. What do you say? It's incorrect. Mm, yes, HTTPS. Okay, come on, bro. Just go. Oh, no, I have a different MIME type now. Okay. Oh yeah, just new. Okay, in this content, you will just paste the message. Okay, it's content type option. The X content type option header can be used to instruct browser to go MIME, multi-purpose internet mail extensions is an internet standard that extends the format of email messages to support text in character sets other than ASCII, as well as attachment of audio, video, images, application forms. Okay. Disturbance in background. Just to hear the sound of street dogs. Mm, hey, just forward the question. Checking, that's okay. Hmm. Sniffing attacks. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Oh, okay. This is the answer. Yeah. There is only one point in this response process. Okay. This helps the directive instructs that browsers not to sniff or guess the MIME, like to not guess the multi-purpose internet manifestation. This uses the, this is used to not guess the email multiple email type. Okay. Ooh, just paste and move on to next. Oh, there is a flag. I think I have to complete this. Mm. Oh, it's correct. It's correct. It's correct. Hey, bro. It's cheating, bro. Just finished the 10th task. Click the view site button. Okay, let's go to the site. Would you like to take a credit too? No, no, I already have. No, just let's start. Hey, bro, yeah, I know, bro, I know what to do here. Okay, make a get request. Okay, it's a get to slash API slash users. Okay, now just here put and just go to parameters. I think there's no parameters to put here. Just click on go. Did I get the answer? Yes, I got the flag. It's just here. Open test and submit. Yes, it's correct. Now let's make the post request. Post and what is the extension? It's API slash user to grow users and update the country of POP from UK to US. What is the flag? Like what to not watch out of case sensitivity. Okay, I think I have to give country from Bob What to from I think country of Bob. From I think US. US. Let's see where it was posted. Oh no, it is not. Hey, it's successfully updated. Looking where is the answer, bro? Hey, mm, country is UK and UK is supposed to use. I did I read wrong saying it's successfully updated. Let's remove this. It's showing to say just select country to use. Proceed and go. Yes. Country. Which country? From UK to US. You have to go from country UK. He was from UK. And you can skip beside fine. You can see it was from UK and is equal to US. Now the country has been updated to US. He was from UK. Make a delete request. Let's make a delete request of what? Of API user one. Of API user one. User one has been set. To delete the user, what is the flag? The flag is you have just deleted the user. Guys, you have just completed the task. There's now only the conclusion left. That's it. You have completed all the tasks. We hope you enjoyed the learning about the elements that make up web applications. Hopefully, you have learned a bit more about what components are involved in web applications. Yes. What structures of uniform resource locator like URL. We have studied about URL, HTTP, HTTPS, and HSTS, and MIME. We have studied much, and even we have studied about a front end and back end, right? Yes, we have studied about front end and back end. Okay, let's conclude and close. Just close, bro. Hey, oh, okay. So, okay, guys. Bye.